Gait Analysis Lab, Part 1, Stance Phase. The first part of the stance phase is the heel strike. It is shown as the heel makes contact with the ground and continues as the foot makes contact with the ground. More specifically, the right heel and foot. Initial loading is shown as the left foot, circled in white, starts to leave the ground and the weight is transferred onto the right limb, highlighted in blue. Mid-stance is shown as the body is directly over the right leg and the right leg is now supporting all the body weight while in a stable position. Push-off is the last stage of the stance phase. It begins here as both legs now are supporting the full weight of the body and the heel leaves the ground and is now in a position to push off. Next, we go to the swing phase. Initial swing continues from, Initial swing starts as the right toes leave the ground, then continues as the right knee is put into maximal flexion, the foot being shown in the blue circle, and the white shows the knee being put into maximal flexion. Mid-swing continues from the right knee being in maximal flexion and then continues as the tibia is now vertical to the ground. Terminal swing is the last part of the swing cycle. It's when the limb is just starting to decelerate and then it comes to the beginning of the heel strike as that heel begins to make contact with the ground again. That is shown with the right limb, leg, and foot being highlighted in white. Now, through the full process, we begin with that heel strike, and then we go. Sorry about that. Let me just fix this. As I was saying now that I zoomed out, so to go through the complete motion, we start with the heel strike, we move on to initial loading and mid-stance, and we go into that push-off. And as I turn around, show the swing phase with that initial swing going into the mid-swing, and then continues into that terminal swing, back into the heel strike. And that is it. Thank you.